Fine. This is basically reading off information from the graph. We have two people signified by Jack and Graham, different colour codes there, and you have the 4 days and the time in minutes up the side here. And the first question is, how many minutes did Graham spend sending messages on Saturday? So we check first of all for Graham being that colour, and we go to the Saturday, and we just use a ruler and go horizontally across, and it says 35, so that's 35 minutes for the first question. And then the second part says, on which day did Jack spend exactly 25 minutes sending messages? So I'm going to do this in reverse. I'm going to put a line across from 25, and I'm going to look for Jack, which is this shading, and it's clearly not Sunday or Saturday or Friday, but here we are. It's got to be Thursday because that's exactly 25. And so Thursday is the answer to part B. And this question actually continues over the page. It says, who spent the greater total time sending messages? You must show you're working. This is a starred question, which means you're going to be assessed on your communication, and there are also 3 marks for this, so it's quite important and you need to spend a bit of time on this. How are we going to do this? Well, we need to go back and find how much time Jack spent sending messages, and so Jack's times are going to be 25 for Thursday, 30 for Friday, 45 for Saturday, and 30 for Sunday, and you've got to add those up, so that's going to be 30, 60, 85, 90, that's going to be 130, so you would record here, right, Jack, 130 minutes, and you need to do the same for Graham, and Graham was 40 minutes on Thursday, 25 on Friday, 35 on Saturday, and 40 on Sunday, and you add those up and you have 40, 65, 70, 100, 140, so you put that on here, so you have Graham, and write 140 minutes, okay, and then you have to answer the question. You can't just leave it like that. You have to say that Graham spent the greater total time. So Graham is the answer.